so big you've never seen anything like it. The Coors Light Silver Bullet aluminum pint. With 16 ounces and a resealable cap. It's gonna be big this summer. Really big. Frost Brewed Coors Light, the summer's most refreshing beer. Hot situations. Call for Rocky Mountain Cold Refreshment. Frost Brewed Coors Light, the world's most refreshing beer.
¡Malvaviscos! ¡Gracias, mamá! ¡Lucky, el duende! ¡Quiero ese malvavisco mágico, Lucky!
¡No podrás atraparme!
¡Ven aquí, Lucky!
¡Poder arcoíris de malvavisco!
Déjalos explorar un mundo nuevo con deliciosos malvaviscos, avena integral, calcio y vitaminas. Inspira su imaginación con la magia de Lucky Charms.
¡Son mágicamente deliciosos!
Los nuevos BMW incluyen Ultimate Service libre de costo, excepto gas y neumáticos.
Marta, mi amiga que siempre dice la verdad. Cuando me corté el pelo me dijo, ¿te quedaba mejor antes? A ver qué nota ahora.
Clau, perdiste algo de peso. ¿Cómo?
Simple, comiendo bien y más grano entero.
¿Grano entero?
Sí, como el Multigrain Cheerios.
La gente que elige más grano entero tiende a tener una cintura más pequeña que la que no. Multigrain Cheerios tiene 5 clases de granos enteros y 110 calorías endulzadas suavemente. Multigrain Cheerios. Presume tu figura.
Ok, equipo, es hora de atacar esos platos grasientos. Hoy nos enfrentamos a un rival muy duro. Voy a necesitar a mi gran jugador. ¿Hay un cambio en el equipo? ¿Ese chorrito?
Una botella de Ultra Dawn tiene el poder cortagrasa de 2 de la marca principal no concentrada, dándole el doble de ingredientes limpiadores en cada gota.
¡Buen partido, muchacho! ¡Eres una estrella! ¡La grasa no puede contra ti!
Dawn, más de lo que imaginas.
¡Para tu cocina!
Time Warner Cable wants to thank you, our customers, in a big way.
With Time Warner Cable's Big Thanks Sweepstakes.
As a customer, you're automatically entered. You could win HD TV or laptop prizes, live large on a trip for 4, or drive off in a new 2010 Ford Mustang. The more services you use, the more chances you have to win. Even win autographed Manu stuff and meet the big man himself.
Thanks for being a Time Warner Cable customer. Like me.
Visit twcbigthanks.com for details and extra entries.
They're the Earth's first fighters. The ultimate predators. New discoveries in forensic science bring to life the prehistoric art of war. This is Jurassic Fight Club.
In 1503, an ordinary man with an extraordinary destiny is born in a small town in southern France. Today, more than 500 years later, the name Nostradamus is revered by thousands of people all over the world as an unparalleled prophet. One who predicts the future with astonishing accuracy. Even skeptics are intrigued by the sheer mystery of his powers. And now, lying quietly in a library in Rome, a manuscript with his name on it has been discovered. A cryptic codex of bizarre imagery and countless prophecies, now revealed for the first time on television. Among them, a startling prediction of when and how the world will come to an end.
From 1945 through 1962, the U.S. conducted over 300 nuclear tests in the remote hills of New Mexico.
Don't see too many travelers around here. Where are y'all headed?
San Diego?
You have a safe trip.
No one ever imagined the horror that was left behind.
We're in the middle of the desert.
We're not alone. There is something living in those hills.
The hills have eyes.
What do you want from us?